Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Oxyflow Breathing Trainer review. So if you've been looking for a way to improve your stamina, boost your athletic performance, or just take a deeper, easier breaths, now you might have run across a device called Oxyflow Breathing Trainer here. Now let's look directly at what this device is and can it actually help you. So, what is the Oxyflow Breathing Trainer here? Now, the Oxyflow Breathing Trainer is a compact, handheld, drug-free respiratory exercise device designed for adult fitness enthusiasts, athletes, singers, and anyone looking to enhance their lung fitness. Now, the primary concept behind the device is inspiratory muscle training, or IMT, which essentially functions like a dumbbell for your respiratory system. By creating calibrated air resistance when you inhale, it forces your diaphragm and intercostal rib muscles to work harder, gradually strengthening them to help increase your overall lung capacity and oxygen intake over time. Now, what does it actually offer? What this product actually offer? Now, according to the technical and design specifications of the trainer, or the hardware features a few key components. So first, the adjustable resistance valve. So it features multi-level mechanical dial that allows you to easily increase or decrease the airflow resistance, letting you scale your workouts as your lung strength actually improves. Now, medical grade constructions as well. So the device is built with a heavy-duty BPA-free plastic housing and equipped with a flexible food-grade silicone mouthpiece that is easy to clean. And also drug-free respiratory support. Now, it relies entirely on natural mechanical resistance, making it safe, non-medical option to incorporate into daily warm-ups or fitness routines. Now, also, it is compact and travel friendly, so the pocket size design requires no electronics, batteries, or charging, making it easy to carry in a gym bag or use anywhere. Now, as for the pricing and availability here, Oxyflow Breathing Trainer is widely available online through fitness gear sites and major e-commerce platforms. Now, a single training package typically retails as an affordable one-time purchase, uh, ranging from, let's just say, like 15 to 25, depending on where you're buying it. Now, if you're going to check their website here, it is priced around like 24.99. But if you buy more, obviously you will, according to them, you will be able to save more. So if you buy two, you get one free. So yeah. So in this case, how do you use it? Well, this one is quite easy. So the manufacturer has kept the respiratory workout routine incredibly straightforward, requiring only a few minutes a day. Now, you want to set your initial resistance here. So twist the adjustable valve via the dial to the lowest resistance setting to start out, ensuring you can comfortably inhale without straining your chest. Now, you want to position your mouthpiece. So place the silicone mouthpiece into your mouth, biting down gently on the inner tabs to create a tight, comfortable seal with your lips so no air escapes from the sides. Now, from then on, exhale all the air from your lungs completely and take a deep and fast, forceful breath inward through the device, using your stomach and diaphragm to pull the air in. Now, you want to remove the device from your lips and exhale slowly and naturally back out through your mouth or nose without forcing it. Now, you want to go and just repeat the routine here. Perform this breathing cycle consistently for about 30 breaths, roughly about 2 to 3 minutes, once or twice a day, gradually turning the dial to increase the resistance level over the coming weeks as the exercise feels a lot easier. But yeah, so that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.